Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola Moto E14, and today I'll show you how we can format your SD card. So, to get started, you will want to open up your settings. From settings, we're gonna find storage right here. And then in a drop-down menu up here, right below storage, I'm gonna click on it and select whatever it says apart from this device. So this device implies the storage of the phone itself, and whatever you have below that, Android for me, that's how it's named, will be your SD card. Now sometimes you might see, for instance, something like Samsung SD card or something else, depending on what brand of company you have of your card. Once you select it, you can then click on the three dots and select Format. And select Format again. This brings up this pop-up right here, letting you know that formatting will erase existing content on the SD card. To avoid losing content, back it up to another SD card or device. Obviously, if you keep anything on your card that you would like to preserve, back it up. If you don't, select Format. Now this takes only a couple seconds and should be right about done. There we go. So click on Done, and that's it. The card is formatted and ready to be used once again. So with that being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.